morning.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm also good. As you all know, we are playing pair debate. So my partner name is Vaid and my name is Pankaj, and we are playing a pair debate on government sector versus private sector. My topic is private sector. As I mentioned that private sector is more better than the government sector because of private school are there, hospital, and many kind of facilities are there. We are wearing a cloth that is private, not a government, and everything which is there it is private.
Sir, actually you mentioned that private sector is good. How can you say that the facilities are also provided by the government sector, like the pension facilities?
Which kind of facilities you are getting? You are not getting any kind of facility. You are not getting pension and any kind of thing. In a private, you can do job. Now the generation is going run behind the MNC.
Sir, but now the generation is also going behind the government sector because they know very well at that time the government sector has to provide a lot of the things. There are many things available.
Which kind of thing you are getting from government? Nothing you are getting from government. You are preparing for prepare for private sector. Why you are preparing? They are mostly person who is preparing for MNC company because they are getting more and more facilities.
But sir, in MNC's companies they also fired you. How can you say that the government didn't get nothing from the government sector? Like if I talk about the private sector, if you take example of COVID-19, the private sector fired a lot of the person.
No,
they lost their house,
if I
their
give
jobs.
you example of my sister was working at work from home. How can you say that my sister was working? And private sector never fired any kind of people who is working there.
Sorry sir, but you have required to get a knowledge about the things. If like I mentioned you, in a COVID-19 there are many people lost their jobs and the loss of the facilities, and nowadays there are lots of.
Means you are living in COVID-19, not you are not living in 2024. It is 2024. You can focus now. How many private companies are running? MNCs are there and many kind of.
But sir, MNC's company also are taking the employment of the persons. How can you say that it's good for us? Like
that's
if
why you are supporting MNC companies are taking the employment, giving
sir,
the employment.
But in if I talk about the education sector, nowadays the education sector is also increasing day by day. The private sector not provided the facilities to the poor people. If I talk about the middle class family, how can you say that the private provide the seats for the middle class families?
Had you cleared your third year? No, you haven't cleared. Which kind of facilities you are getting? You are coming here, you are going there. You haven't has any kind of facility. Which kind of facility you are getting from government? A bus. Which kind of facilities?
But sir, the private sector provide a facility, but they charge it. How can you say that the private sector is good?
You are agree to me. The private sector giving us facility and charge it. You have money, you can take it. Charge
but
it.
Sir, if you have a money, if I talk about the middle class family, how can they provide these kinds of the things? For give an example, like my friend is belong to the middle class family. They don't have the materials of required anything, but the government provided that. But the private sector didn't provide these kinds of the things.
Talk about foods. Which thing you are taking that is private? Means you are taking dairy food from your morning, which is private. Means Amul dairy, Mother dairy.
Sorry
that
sir,
all companies
sorry sir. If you have not recorded about the Amul product, the Amul product is maybe generated from the India. Indian is an Indian company. How can you say that?
So it is Indian, but it is private company, not a government. You are saying you are agree with me, and then you are saying it is Indian company, and then it is private.
But
company.
Sir, India is a place where the foods is generated. Like if I talk about the example of a farmer, so how can the farmers grow the wheat in summers and many more things? That's why the food is coming in your house.
Farmers are government. No, farmers can't under the government. The farmer are also come under the private sector. If you are
sorry sir, how can you say that the farmers come under the private sector? How can you say that? The farmer is an individual person. He does.
You are getting any kind of free facilities from farmer? No, only government that provide that free, and they are wasting their money. They are taking their money.
Thank you, sir, supporting me. You mentioned that the government provide the free facilities. That is good for us because nowadays the middle class family and many people comes under the poverty line. So how can you?
They are snatching the facilities, they are snatching the money, they are not doing any kind of work for public. And now if I mention you are wearing clothes, you are wearing specs, that is private. You are wearing a slipper, that is private. Where your father is doing work, that is private sector. So don't go there.
So sir, how can you say that my father does work in a private sector? Some person have doing a self business. So how can you say that comes under the private sector? because some person have their own shops and there are these kinds of the things. So how can you come?
That
this
you
is
gave
the
me, you gave me point that there some people have shops and all. You are here speaking there. It is private, not government. Government are not providing. You are learning here English. That is government. And if you can say you are your video will.
Okay,
upload
sir,
on-
you said the government changed the facilities. Like nowadays, I was speaking before the examination, the government is improving these kinds of the things. Like if I talk about the education sector, they provide the many teachers to
Which
the
kind
student.
of education you get from government? Free? No, you can get free education from
Sorry,
government.
sir, at
You
my time-
cannot get.
at my time I got a free education.
YouTube is the best platform for learning and earning. What is it? It is private, not government. Social media, where your account is there, means calling, WhatsApp, that kind of thing, that is private, not government.
Sir, it's the main thing that you said. Like if I talk about the YouTube, but sometimes they're destroying the knowledge of the persons. Like they have the facilities you get from the education sector, the private sector ruled on it. Everyone knows at that time education is most
So why
important.
government give the navy to private sector? Why? And 49 of share, why government give to private of railway? Why government give that? Government hasn't given. Government are doing also privatization. Why they are not doing governmentization? They can do governmentization.
But
Why
sir,
they are not doing?
some parts given by the undertaking, it's the part of the, it is a part of the government.